Welcome to the Turkish Airlines Drone Golfing Championships, the second stage. We've got Henrik Stenson, Open Champion, Martin Keimer, US Open Champion. We've got Shane Lowry, and we have Ian Poulter. We've got some proper players playing with drones. One is going to fly the machine, and the other guy is going to putt. It's the man, it's not time, so you can take your time. It's very much who plays it in the fewest shots. So it's going to be exciting, like it was last year. Ian Poulter's partner will be Henrik Stenson. He will be putting, and Martin Keimer's partner will be Shane Lowry. So he will be putting as well.
Yeah, 3 putts. Oh.
That's close.
Is it? Don't you dare miss that!
Well, that's unbelievable. That's a 32.
Can't wait for Martin to go down.
Worried about the water, Martin.
No, I feel comfortable there.
Oh, there it is.
That was me. Yeah! Oh, where did it go?
Low battery.
You only need to talk to me.
Henrik Stenson, Ian Poulter, Shane Lowry and Martin Keimer are all square, so we'll go down best of 3.
A 2017 Turkish Airlines Drone Golf Championship with Shane Lowry and Martin Keimer.